Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cover yourself in tattoos on Dress to Impress. So for the suit, like the wear, I'm just going to use these as a bodysuit. And for the tattoos to show, I'll use this one in the tattoo pattern. If this kind of protrudes, you can use some other pants. Of course, maybe these shorts can work the same. I mean, they still do. Maybe the mini shorts instead. And then for the tattoo sleeves, I'm going to be using this one. And then I'm going to again use the tattoo pattern. That is it. Super simple. Actually, you can now just layer a bunch of outfits on top of that. It is a little bit harder to put the tattoos on the neck and stuff like that, but yeah, that is it. That's how you can cover yourself up in tattoos and Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!